All right, here we go. Radical equations. All right, so number one, isolate the radical. We have to make sure this is the only thing on the left side of the equation, or the right side. It is. Once you do that, you square both sides. When you square a square root, they cancel out. That cancels out with that. So I literally get x minus 2 equals 5 squared, 25. I solved that. Add 2. Sorry, my stylus isn't. I gotta press harder. 27. I think that is my answer. I must check it in the original. So I'm going to rewrite what was on my page. 27 minus 2 is 25. Square root of 25 is 5. It checks. I'm going to put it in the little solution set. All right. Isolate the radical. Square both sides. Solve it. Check it. We have to watch for extraneous roots. All right, let's go to 2. All right, so again, number one, make sure it's isolated. Is this by itself? No, so I have to subtract 7. So I'm going to get negative 3, 2x minus 1. All right, now it's isolated. Check. 2, square both sides. Square, square. Once you square square root, they cancel. So I get 2x minus 1 on the left side. The right side, negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. All right, now I add 1 over. I get that. So I get x equals 5. I think 5 is my answer. I must check it. 2 times 5 minus 1 plus 7 is 4. 2 times 5 is 10. Minus 1 is 9. Square root of 9 plus 7 is equal to 4. Square root of 9 is 3. Plus 7, 4. Is 10 equal to 4? If it is, we have a brand new number system, and everything we learned is wrong. If that doesn't work, I reject this answer. Right? I throw it out. It's called an extraneous root, if my stylus would write. Right? It's an extra root that doesn't work. So since I don't have an answer, I'm going to draw a set of empty brackets or a 0 with the slash through it. So this is called the empty set. And this one is called the null set. All right, so just follow the steps. You must check it. All right, ready? 1, isolate. We need to get that by itself. How do we do that? I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. So the left side gets me x minus 2. The right side gets me x plus the square root of x plus 4. Done. Square both sides. Let me switch colors. Square, square. Now here's where it just gets a little tricky. The right side's easy. X plus 4. The left side, I need to square that. I need to FOIL that or double distribute. Right? So hopefully, right, x times x, x squared minus 2x minus 2x minus 4x plus 4. So I just kind of did that in my head. Okay, anytime we have an x squared, I need to get everything over to that side. So I have x squared minus 5x. Oh, that was a plus. So those cancel. So I just get that. Okay, so now I got to factor that. x minus 5, tee it up. So I get x is 0 and x is 5. I think those are both my answers. I must check them in the original. So I'm going to go, so let's see, 0 and 5. All right, so ready. 0 equals 2 plus 0 plus 4. 0 equals 2 plus 0 plus 4. The square root of 4 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. No. So 0 gets thrown out. Let's try 5. 5 equals 2 plus 5 plus 4. 5 equals 2 plus the square root of 9. 2 plus 3 is 5. Yes. So 5 is our only answer. So I just put 5 in my solution set. 4 or 0 is gone. Right? Isolate, square both sides, solve it, check it. Really, really simple. All right, what about if you have two radicals? We're not going to go crazy. I'm going to give you something like this. If you have two radicals, the isolate part is make sure one radical is on one side, the other radical is on the other side. That's how you isolate it if you have two radicals. Then we're done. Square both sides. So I'm literally getting 6x minus 4 equals 2x plus 10. All right, they're gone, they're gone. And then I just solved that. So what? Minus 2, 4x plus 4, 14. Okay, so we got some funky fraction. That's okay. 14 fourths or 7 halves. Or what was that? 3.5. However you want to do it. So I think that is my answer. So let's check it. So I'm going to leave it, since I don't have a calculator right now, I'm going to leave it in a fraction. 2 times 7 halves. It'll make sense once you see what I do, right? So I'm going to reduce. 2 goes into 6 3 times. 3 times 7, 21. Minus 4 is 17. Square root of 17, all right? Then the other side. 2 times 7 halves. Oh, the 2 cancels. 7 plus 10, square root of 17. That checks. So my answer is 7 halves. All right, let's do one more. All right, a cube root. So we squared a square root. So we're going to cube a cube root, a fourth root. That's how we get rid of that square root. So again, same steps, isolate. So I got to bring 12 over. So I get negative 9 equals the cube root of x plus 4. Then I'm going to cube both sides. I don't have a calculator or phone on me right now. Dude, old school. 729. Then I'm going to subtract 4. So I think my answer is 725. So let's check it. Or chunk it. That's what it looks like. But I got to get a better stylus. So 725 plus 4 is 729. Oh, hold on. Negative 729. So I went the wrong way. Hold on one second. I caught that. Or it would have showed up in our check. So this is going to get us negative 733. So I'm going to add 4, which gets us that negative 729, which gets us negative 9, plus 12. 3 equals 3. So I know that my answer is negative 733. All right. And that's it. So let's try a couple. Let's try these. Hold on, let me see, just make sure. 37. Yeah, let's not do 37. What's 22 look like? Yeah. So let's try these 6. 5, 10, 16, 17, 20, 22. All right. Good luck. Thanks. See you.